Hi friends, this video shows how to use right angle L-shaped connector with RCA cable. See, this is a right angle L-shaped connector. So this type of right angle L-type connectors are useful when we mount speakers on wall. I will show you how we can use it. Let me take this rear speaker. So this has wall mount option. See, let me connect this RCA cable to this rear speaker. See, now I cannot mount this RCA rear speaker on wall. See, we cannot mount this speaker on wall. So here we can use this right angle L-shaped connector. We can connect like this. Then connect RCA cable here. See, now we can mount this speaker on wall. So that is the use of this type of connector. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.